Your taillight lenses can get dried up, faded, and cracked over the years. And when they do, you'll be happy you chose Original Parts Group to restore your Chevelle with. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1970s Chevelle taillight lenses. Our lenses are made from an injection molded plastic design. The lenses are identical to the factory originals in quality, fit, and finish. To ensure this, we use case-hardened steel tooling for accuracy. We feature the correct factory keyed red along with gray painted at the outside, carefully detailed lines, and even the clear backup lens installed. Exact contour and dimensions assure you a perfect fit. In addition, we also pre-drill all the mounting holes so you'll be able to install this right out of the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.